So if you're ever having any buzzing or humming noise and you replace your capacitor but you still have that humming noise, there's a good chance it could be coming from your contactor. Today on F This or Fix It, we are going to replace this old contactor. It was kind of buzzing and emitting, kind of a humming or buzzing noise, and the capacitor was replaced and it's brand new, so capacitor couldn't be doing any humming. So went ahead and cross-referenced this part number, furnace 45C020AJ, and that ended up being cross-referenced to a newer Honeywell part, and that Honeywell part discontinued in like 2012, and then this Honeywell part is now the equivalent of this particular contactor. So off to Amazon and purchased it, and here we go. We're gonna go ahead and install it. Quieter, no more hum at all, new capacitor, new contactor.